Good morning, students. Today we will see chapter 4, which is exponents. So exponents is like that. So whenever we are writing the larger number and there are repetitions are there, so in that case we are using the exponents. Like suppose that we are having to write 10 into 10 into 10, like into 10 so many times. Let it be just we have written 1 2 3 4 and 5 times. So 5 times we are writing this 10. So like this we can write in a shorter form. So this we can write 10 to the power 5. So this kind of writing methods is called, this kind of expressions is called exponential expression, right? So here we how to define this particular 10 is called, this 10 is called base, this is called base, this 10 is called base, and this 5 is called exponent, this 5 is called exponents, or we can say power, right? This 5 indicates how many times 10 is used in terms of multiplication. 10, how many times 10 has been multiplied, so number of times that is defined by this. So this is called exponents, right? So now as you can see your theories of this chapter, which is the what is exponential form. When a number is multiplied by itself several times, it can be written in short form under 3 into 3 into 3. This is 5 times is written, so that's why 3 to the power 5. So in short we can write 3 to the power 5, and this short form of this is called exponential expression. The factor which is multiplied by itself again and again, the base and the number of times the factor appears in is exponent, right? So as you can see, this is the same examples as I just I have given to you. So likewise these examples are there. So in general, what is the rational number a, and a is a positive integer, and we define so a to the power n, and likewise it is n times, right? So a nth power a is raised, right? So this is the don't be so much confused regarding this. So rational number a is called base, this particular 3 like a, and this is a n, right? So this a is called base and n is called exponent or power or indices, right? So whatever the power, the same name, power, either exponent or you can say index, right? So these are the writing forms and the name of the places, the positions, right? So now the practical, this example 4 to the power 3 means how many times 4 are there? 3 times, right? So like negative, like we have minus, this is not a minus, it's negative 2 to the power 4. It means how many negatives 2 are there? This is how many times? This is the 4 times negative are there, right? So now there is some methods also to learn it. If whenever you have the negatives number, either your base is negative, and this exponent is even, in this case always your answer will come positive number, right? Positive number, your answer will always come positive number. This you have to keep in mind, you have to write somewhere either. And again if it is a negative base and this is your power is your odd, your answer will be always negative. Just I can give you the example of this. As I said that negative number and power, I said any even number, let it be 4, right? So now if you will expand it, what you will get? 2 multiplied minus 2 negative 2 negative 2, that is a 4 time. So now 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 plus into 2, that is a 16. So now what about the negative signs? This 2 negative sign will give the positive, right? And this positive will multiply again with this negative, this is the negative, and this negative will again multiply, this will give you positive. So final answer is your positive. That's why I said it here. So what is your answer will be? Always in positive, right? So second case, as you can see what I say right here, odd, and its answer is negative. So we'll see with this another example, let it be 2, again the same number, I have same base, I have taken minus 2, but here I have written 3. So now how many times? This is the 2 into 2 into 2, this is negative 2, so this 2 to the 4 to the 8. Okay, now what about the negative sign? This 2 will give the positive and this positive to the negative, so negative 8. So now in this case always your answer will come negative values, right? So this is your, this is also it is given your here, this it means simple, whenever the odd, negative, even, it's a positive, that's all. right? And we have, this is the p by q forms. These are the some rules are there, and the next exercise also we have to see the some more rules. Here we will like p to the power q, right? So now p to the power q and over n, it means separately you can write p to have also power n and q have also, like 2 by 3 and power up. Suppose I have written this 2, it means 2 has also power 2 and 3 has also power 2. If you will solve, 2 2 is 4, 2 is 2 times 4, 3 is 2 times, that is a 9. So 4 by 9 is the answer, right? So likewise you have to do these things, like 3 by 4 how many times? 5 times. See, so now these are the some examples of this. So you can see, so like here is negative 1 by 243. So this 243, it is factorized, so you can see 5 times 3 has been written. So this 5 times 3 means 3 to the power 5, and this 1 also can be write for 5 times, no matter, because odd power if you write, so same negative numbers you will get. And this separate is, we have separate negative 1 to the power 5 and 3 in the numerator side and the numerator side. So now combinedly we can write, just now we have seen this method, this rule, okay, this reverse of this, okay. So likewise some examples of this, so go through it. So you can do based on this particular concept, you can solve this exercise 4a. That's a very simple, you can do it. Like 9 to the, what it means? 9, negative 9, right? What is the exponent? Exponent is negative 2. What is its the base? Sorry, not negative 2, this is 2. What is the, its the base? Negative 9. What is the value? So 9 into 9, 81, but is a positive power, sorry, even power, so there's a simple 81. So likewise you can do exercise 4a, that's all. So next class we'll see the law of exponents and some questions of this exercise also we will see, which is which you did not able to do. Reciprocal means, as you know that 1 by 4, it's a reciprocal will be 4 by 1, okay. Numerator will numerator and numerator will become numerators. So that's all about this exercise. So you can do this exercise, exponents, exercise 4a is your homework, okay. Thank you.